Unfortunately, I did not get a video of the whole process of replacing the Guibo and the center support bearing because my buddy came over and he didn't have much time, so we had to kind of speed through the whole process. Well, not speed, but filming it would have taken it much longer. So one thing I wanted to point out is there is a proper way to install the Guibo, and for some reason it's not often talked about, and that's the orientation of the actual bolts. I'm going to show you what I mean. This is the old unit that came out of the car, and see how it's all cracked. There's only 20,000 miles on it, just about, and it's all cracked. It's basically destroyed. So the proper way to install it, which again for some reason the info wasn't readily available, is this way. So the bolts have to be this is the transmission, and this is the drive shaft. So the bolt heads have to face the direction of the arrow on the Guibo side, and the nuts go on the flange side. So you're gonna have your 3 bolts go one way and the other 3 go the other way. And that's not how this original disc was installed. All the bolts were facing towards the transmission. So just a little thing that I wanted to point out to you. Thanks for watching.